To remove language key from your keyboard on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, first, you have to set language switching method to swipe spacebar only. To do so, open an app or screen where you can type with your keyboard. As the example, while you are using Google Search, tap the setting icon at the top of the keyboard. Tap Languages and Types. Tap Language Switching Method. And then select Spacebar Swipe. Next, tap the back key twice to go back to the screen where you can type with your keyboard. You can see that your phone no longer displays the language key on the keyboard. If you have added multiple languages to your keyboard, with this setting, you can switch between those languages by swiping the spacebar until it displays the language you like to use. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.